So here's FIFA Panini Collection app. So I signed in. You can create your account with email and password or Apple ID. It's kind of like FIFA ID. And then here, this is the app where you can just scan. It's for World Cup, and you can just get some swag, some points, and then just redeem them. So, for example, you can scan your put a special World Cup 26 Coca-Cola bottle in front of your camera and then claim your reward. Scan your stickers, so that's kind of how you can just do that. Then you see stickers, you can swap them. You can see it in here. Then there is your album. You can see the details. I mean, you can just see all the details like about every team. So there's that. Open packs. I don't know, there are some swags, there are some rewards. Open your pack. I don't know how to open it. Okay, you just tap on it. So you have this. And then you have some packs, you have some promo codes. Get new packs. So you can see when it will be available. I don't know where to get these codes. But yeah, there's also challenges. Collect 5 stickers of the team that won the last FIFA World Cup. And then you just need to collect that. So you can just do that, complete this, and then there is swap area. Then there is your team. You can join your team, create a team. So a lot of things, prizes. Then you can just allow the stickers. Then you can also get an album. So all of things like that. Then you can also invite your friends. You can invite it. Yeah, that's kind of the idea. So again, you can see all of the rewards. What you can get. So in the end, you can get some stickers, you can get some albums. Probably you can then sell the stickers, albums on eBay. Maybe they will go in price. I don't know. Maybe they will have some kind of cards. But yeah, kind of the app specifically built by FIFA for World Cup. I don't know whether they have some NFTs, anything like that. Probably not in this season, but here's just what you have. So quite a cool app. Check it out.